Hey guys, I'm Gamer Mate, welcome back to a new video. So I'm here back inside ROBLOX Studio, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own fast travel teleport GUI. So let's get into the video. So over here, we have a desert, like this. Over here, we have a forest. Then over here, we have a beach. And all these are just some models inside of a folder. So to make the GUI, what we need to do is go inside the Explorer. If you don't have the Explorer, then click View, then click Explorer. We also need Properties open. Once you've got that, go inside the Explorer, then click Start a GUI, add in a screen GUI, then we can name it to Teleport GUI. Inside of it, I'm going to add in a frame. Then this frame is going to have all the buttons inside of it, so we can teleport. Okay, so once you have your frame, all it is a frame. Then I also added in a text label to say teleport. And then to get around corners, I added in a UI corner. Anyway, now what we need to do is add in the buttons. So click frame, click plus, and then add in a text button. Once again, we can customize it. Then change the name and text. Okay, so I just added in 3 buttons. Okay, so I'm just going to hide the GUI for a second. And now, inside workspace, add in a folder. Then name it to teleport points. So teleport points like that. Then go down to our map. Add in a part. Make sure it's anchored. Then I'm going to resize it. Then I'm also going to lift it up in the air to about here. Then I'm going to change the transparency to 1. Change can collide to off. And now I'm going to change the name of it to desert. So make sure the name of your teleport point matches up exactly to the name of your button. So the desert button is called desert, and the teleport point is also called desert. So make sure they just match up. Then we can drag that brick inside the teleport points, like that. Now I'm going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl and D. Now if you drag that to the next map, then make sure to rename it to forest. Once again, make sure the name of your teleport point matches up with the name of your button. Then once again, we can duplicate it, drag it over to the beach, then name it to beach, like that. Once again, just make sure all the names match up to each teleport point and the buttons, otherwise it won't work. Once you've done that, we can just turn on the GUI again, like this. And now, click frame, click plus, add in a local script, and before we write anything, click replicate storage, then click plus, then add in a remote event. We can name this to teleport event, like that. And now, inside the local script, type in for comma button in pairs, 2 brackets, and then type in script dot parent colon get children 2 brackets. Outside brackets, type in do, then go down, and what we're going to do now is type in if button, and then colon is a 2 brackets speech marks, and then type in text button. If you're using image buttons or anything else, then just replace that with what your button is. For outside brackets, type in then. Then if you go down a few times and type in button, dot mouse button, 1 click, colon connect, 2 brackets, function, 2 more brackets, and then go down. Now if you type in game, dot replicate storage, dot teleport event, fire server, 2 brackets, then type in button.name, like this. So what we're doing is we're getting a variable for all the children of a frame. Then we're checking if the variable is a text button. And if it is, then once we click that button, we're going to be firing the remote event with the button's name, so we know where the teleport is. So that's why it's important to name the button the same as the teleport point, otherwise it won't work. And once you have this, close it off. And now what we need to do is click Server Script Service, click plus, add in a script, and then in the script, type in local teleport event equals game dot replicate storage dot teleport event. So now if you type in teleport event dot on server event, then type in connect, 2 brackets, then function, 2 more brackets, then type in player, comma, and then position. Then remove one of the brackets, and then go down. Now if you type in local teleport point equals to game.workspace.teleport points find first child, then brackets, then type in position, like that. Now go down and type in player.character.humanoid root part .cframe equals to teleport point .cframe, like this. So what we're doing is this is a variable for the teleport event. Then when the teleport event has been fired, then we have a variable for the player who clicked it. Then we also have a variable for the position. Then here is a variable for the actual teleport point. So inside teleport's point folder, which is in the workspace, we're finding the position. Then we're setting the player's character, which is the actual player. So we're setting the character's humanoid root part. So we change their C-frame to the teleport point's C-frame. So then they'll teleport to the teleport part. So if we close it off, this is our script. Before we click play, I'm just going to be adding in a button to close the GUI. Click the screen GUI, not the frame. So click the screen GUI, then add in a text button. Once again, we customize it. Okay, so once you have our button, I just named it to open button. You can name it whatever you want. But anyway, now what we need to do is click frame, go in properties, then make sure visible is unticked. So now it's gone. Then inside the button, click plus, add in a local script. Then type in script.parent.mouse button 1 click, connect, 2 brackets, function, 2 more brackets, and then go down. Now type in script.parent.frame.visible equals to, then type in not script.parent.frame.visible. So what we're doing is once the button has been clicked, we're setting the frame to visible of what it isn't, if that makes sense. For example, if a frame is not visible, then we're setting the frame to be visible by making it not what it already is. Hopefully that makes sense, but anyway, close it off, click play, then click the button. You can see it opens. Then we click desert, click C, that we teleport, and we can close the GUI, like this. We can open it again, click forest, then we teleport, once again, open it, then we go down to a beach, like this. And guys, that's going to be it for this video. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe down below. And I'll see you later. Bye!